Discover how Americans are earning from home without big investment. Slide 2. Freelancing. Heading 1. Freelancing bullet points. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr. Freelancer skills: writing, voiceover, VA, design. Start with simple tasks. Slide 3. Affiliate marketing. Heading 2. Affiliate marketing bullet points. Work with Amazon, Walmart, ClickBank. Share links via YouTube, TikTok, blogs. No product handling. Slide 4. Print on demand. Heading 3. Print on demand bullet points. Sell designs on Teespring, Etsy, Redbubble. No inventory, no shipping t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. Slide 5. Online tutoring. Heading 4. Online tutoring. Bullet points, platforms: VIP Kid, Cambly, Chegg Tutors. Teach English or academic subjects, work from home. Slide 6. Remote customer support. Heading 5. Remote customer support. Bullet points: companies: Amazon, Apple, LiveOps. Answer chats and calls from home. Many jobs require no degree. Slide 7. Outro heading. Thanks for watching. Request all Wivers like the video and subscribe for more USA online earning tips.